So, this video is to demonstrate the level of sound that the Dyson DC-35 makes when it's in use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it off with just normal speed without the maximum. There's only two settings, normal and max. So we'll go ahead and start it off with normal. Here we go. So that's the normal setting, and now we'll just switch it to the maximum. On the back side, there's a button there that says max. Simply press that in, and it then engages the maximum speed. We'll go ahead and turn that on now. Again, normal speed. And now maximum. That concludes this video. If you have any questions or comments about the video, please do post them. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up.